guys, today we're playing pet story. So let's go. Let's get in the truck. Okay, this is gonna be like so much fun. So, oops, my game always glitchy. I don't know why. Let's go. Look at this winged bunny. It's gonna be so much fun in the bus. So let's check it out. Okay, guys. So, okay, these are lots of people here. So, this is gonna be lots of fun. There's gonna be a crocodile, and the crocodile's head has a blowfish. So let's go. So, okay, I'm going to pet story. Oops. And my pet story was stuck, so that's why I had to cut it a little bit. So I'm back right now. So okay, let's get into the bus again. And whoa, look at me! I am in the bus truck, but I cannot get in. Whoa, what a glitch! So let's check this out how it works. Let's go though. So let's go. Ooh, I'm going down the road like feels like I'm running. So this is gonna be so much fun. Oh my god, I don't know what's gonna happen. Oh my god, whoa. Whoa, everyone fall off the bus and they're like, bruh. Whoa, this is so funny. Who does that? Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. What is that? Oh my god. What the net?